this video, we will discuss the process of returning to the University of Washington after a leave of absence, starting with returning Pathway 1, SEVIS reactivation. After watching this video, you will be able to do the following. 1. Understand the benefit of returning to the U.S. through SEVIS reactivation. 2. Identify how to submit a complete reactivation request in the time allowed. And 3. Determine your next steps based on the outcome of your request. A SEVIS reactivation will return your terminated SEVIS record back to active status. A reactivation is only available for students who have been gone for one quarter and plan to return prior to the start of the following quarter. ISS will submit a request to the government to reactivate your SEVIS record. Note, students must be maintaining status at the time of requesting a leave of absence in order to be eligible for a SEVIS reactivation. If you drop your classes or depart prematurely, your reactivation will most likely be denied. Your method of returning to the university will impact your eligibility for F1 benefits like CPT and OPT. If your record is successfully reactivated, your eligibility for CPT and OPT remains the same as it was prior to your leave of absence. This means that if you were eligible for CPT and OPT before the leave of absence, you will be eligible when you return to the University of Washington. If approved for a SEVIS reactivation, you will only be eligible for a vacation quarter after completing the next 3 consecutive quarters of full-time study. This means that you must enroll full-time in the summer quarter when applicable. The timing of the request is very important when requesting a SEVIS reactivation. You can request the reactivation in MyISSS 60 days before the intended return quarter. You will need to show that you are enrolled full-time in your returning quarter before your request can be processed. If you need your visa renewed before returning, please talk to an ISS advisor so we can advise you on the timeline of when you should start your request. You can find the SEVIS reactivation request in the Request and Documents section of the MyISSS portal. Please fill out the information and provide your departure and arrival itineraries. Once you have submitted your request, an ISS advisor will submit a correction request to the government's Student and Exchange Visitor Program, or SEVP. SEVP will determine whether your SEVIS record can be reactivated. Note, taking a vacation quarter immediately before a leave of absence may impact the outcome of your SEVIS reactivation request. Please consult an ISS advisor if you have any questions. Once ISS has submitted the correction request to SEVP, you will see that your request is now in awaiting adjudication in MyISSS. If your reactivation is approved, your previous SEVIS record returns to active status and ISS will issue you a new I-20 with travel signature for your return to the U.S. If your reactivation is denied, your previous record remains in terminated status and you will need to follow the steps for returning Pathway 2 to request a new initial I-20. Once you have received approval and the new I-20, you can prepare to travel and enter the U.S. within 30 days of the next quarter start date. Students must register full-time in their first quarter back. This includes summer quarter. For undergraduate students, full-time is defined as 12 credits. For graduate students, full-time is defined as 10 credits, with some exceptions. In the next video, we will discuss returning to the university via Pathway 2, which is requesting a new initial I-20.